To my YouTube channel. On this course, I'm gonna teach you guys how to create a text shadow property. So for those who are just new on VS Code, check on my description below. You'll see the link on how to get started. So now, what we're going to do here on this video, we're going to start with our h1 tag. So once we start like this, so we're going to input our text shadow property. So we're done like this now. So let me save it, then come below here. You can see failed. So now, as you can see here, I have created my style tag in between my head, tag. So now, what I'm going to input there is h1 something wrong. H1. They'll put our color. Our color should be blue. So let's see it in our default browser. You can see the color changes. Let's put our font size. Our font size should be 30 pt. Then for those who don't know about the font size is to increase your text. So this is it. Is to increase your text. So let me change it to maybe 300. You see, the text get bigger. You can see. So let me put it back to my 30. So the last and not the least, we put our text shadow. So now on this text shadow, we're going to have 4 values in my text shadow. So now the first value define the distance of the shadow in the x, that is the horizontal direction. Then the second set the value in the y, that is vertical direction. So the third value define the blur of the shadow, and the fourth define the color. So let's get started with that. So put 5 pixel as the first value, then 2 pixel second value, then the blur, let me put 4, and then the color should be maybe yellow. Then let me save it and then go here to my, I can see it. So let me then show you the blur. Let me assuming I put my blur here to be 40, and then let's go back to our browser and then see it removed. Let me put it again to let's put it to 40. You see, this is it. The yellow above, the yellow occupying the text. So if I change the yellow to, let me say, red, this is it. Yeah. So this is my text shadow property. If this video helped you a lot, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to view more content like this, and also share this video to your friends that need to learn more about text shadow property. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.